Hi everyone. Welcome back to easycrochetstudio.in. Today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this super cute crochet heart keychain. It's a quick, fun project that's perfect for beginners, and it makes a wonderful handmade gift for your loved ones. Before we dive into the tutorial, please take a quick second to subscribe to my channel and support my work. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming crochet patterns. Your support truly means the world to me. So, if you have your yarn and hook ready, let's get right into the video. For this project, I'm using some leftover yarn scraps. You can easily use amigurumi yarn or any leftover yarn you have lying around at home. As for the hook, I'll be using a 2mm crochet hook. However, feel free to choose your hook size based on your yarn thickness and your own tension. We'll start by making a magic ring. Chain 2, and then we will work our stitches inside the ring. Now, work 3 double crochets into the ring, followed by 3 half double crochets. This will start forming the side of our heart. To make the sharp point at the bottom, chain 1, make 1 double crochet, and chain 1 again. Mirror the other side by making 3 half double crochets and 3 double crochets. Finally, slip stitch into the center and pull the yarn tight to close the ring. To make the pretty white border, attach your white yarn and slip stitch around the edges. This gives it a beautiful, clean finish. And that's it. Our adorable heart keychain is officially finished. Look how cute it turned out. It's such a quick and satisfying project to make. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to know what color you chose for your heart. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more crochet ideas. Thank you so much for hanging out and crocheting with me today. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Happy crocheting. Bye.